So this tutorial we're going to learn how to draw our title block for an A-size sheet of paper, 8.5 by 11. We're first going to start in the drawing model space, and we can start anywhere we want. I have my grid and snap turned on. You can adjust your snap settings to 0.5 and your grid settings to 0.5. And then have the background aid and assist you in your drawing. So I'm going to start right here, line command. I'm going to go with, we're going to make a landscaped drawing sheet of paper, so we're going to go 11 units, click here. I'm going to go 8.5 units up, click 11 units over, and then close it, C, enter, and then we'll have the outline of our paper. Next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to offset command up here on the modify tool panel, click on offset, and right away we have to type in our distance of the offset, and that'll be 0.5. Hit enter, and now what we can do is we can select the line and click on the side we want it to go to. So we're creating a little border that goes around, it's 1/2 inch in, just like that. You also have the option to just draw this in by using the 0.5 spacing with the snap and the grid. I just wanted to show you this way quickly. Next we're going to clean up the corners. I'll select all 4 of these lines, and then I'll go to the trim command up here, and then I will select what I want to get rid of. You can click on the line, or you can create a little box through it. Okay, so there we have the outside border of our paper, and then we have the drawing border on the inside of our paper. Next we're going to create our title block, and we're going to be using the offset command again, and this time we're going to click on offset. We're going to type in a distance of 1, hit enter, and we're just going to offset this bottom line up 1 unit. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to offset this line over 5 units. Offset, type in the number 5, hit enter. We'll select this line, select that side, and then the last little move we're going to do is we're going to take this line and offset it one more time over 1 unit. So offset 1, enter, click on the line, click on the side it goes to, this right side, and now just trim up these 2 lines and that line, and there you go. We have our title block area, we have our border, we have our page edge. Alright, next thing we're going to do is going to zoom into this area right here. This is where we're going to put our vital information. We're going to put our name, the date and location, some vital information that goes into the drawing name, and other things. So I'm going to actually draw it on the outside first and then move it in. I want to start a text box, a multi-line text box, and I need to change the, if I go to the style panel, I want to change the text size to 1.25, 0.125. Just hit enter, and then I can begin typing, and I'm going to use all capital letters. Type in my name, the date, my location, and then this down here, this last part will be the drawing title. You can change that out each time. Okay, now once I have that, I'll select it and I'm going to move it. I can grab onto the grip so I can use the move command. I'm going to turn off my snap. Fun with my buttons here. And I'm just going to place it in this area. And what you're going to see is it just fits real nice, neat in there. Gives you a little extra space to work with. But it's going to go in that bottom corner. And I'll stay consistent for each one. So this next little box, this is where you're going to put symbols, your architecture firm, and I leave that up to you. That's something that you can put in there. Quick example, go to one of these figures right here. You can see I use this Heritage logo. I can actually copy that to a clipboard. Go back into my model space. Go to the clipboard and paste it. Paste it into there. I can modify the size as well. Go just like that. Move it in. And that's what that box is used for. It's just a 1x1 square. And that actually completes your title block drawing. And now I'm going to show you how to put it into a layout. So if I were to start a new drawing and I wanted to take the title block from one drawing and move it into another drawing, this new drawing right here, you see that my layout tabs are brand new. I'm actually going to go back to this drawing, highlight it, right click, clipboard, and then go to the copy, or you can do Control C. I'll go to my new drawing and I want to go to the layout tab and do Control V, and I'll get as close as I can to that corner and place it. And now I have successfully added my title block to a layout. And then here's the drawing window, and you can modify the drawing window in any way you wish. Get that out of the title block. And that looks in the model space. And that will complete the title block construction and placement and layout.